If you've been browsing for unique art toys, blind boxes, or collectible dolls online, chances are you've come across KikaGoods.com, a store that presents itself as a one-stop shop for collectors, offering everything from BJD and MJD dolls to quirky plush toys and blind box surprises from popular brands like MJ Studio and Lucky Doll. At first glance, the site looks impressive, but the real question is, should you trust them with your money? Let's break it down. Starting with its background, KikaGoods isn't brand new. The domain has been around since 2020, which gives it some credibility because scam stores usually don't last that long. They also make their contact details public, including a physical address and a working phone number, which most shady sites never do. On top of that, they've built a big social media following with over 200,000 fans across Instagram and Facebook, where they post regularly about new toy drops and customer interactions, which adds to their authenticity. Reviews are another important piece of the puzzle. Trustpilot shows a solid 4.6-star average rating with close to 300 reviews, which is a strong score. And Reddit users and toy collecting communities have also shared positive experiences, saying they received exactly what they ordered. The website itself is well designed and easy to navigate with organized categories, clear product listings, and frequent updates, which makes it look like a professional operation rather than a random pop-up shop. But while all of this sounds good, it's not completely flawless. Some customers do report issues with shipping times, delayed tracking updates, and occasional slow customer support responses. Since many of the items are collectibles and sometimes pre-order exclusives, delays can feel frustrating for buyers who are eager to get their figures. There are also a few mixed reviews about packaging quality, with some collectors wishing for more secure protection for delicate items. None of these complaints are extreme red flags, but they're worth keeping in mind before placing an order. At the end of the day, KikaGoods does appear to be a legitimate store with a real presence, but like with many niche online shops, experiences can vary. Some customers are thrilled with their purchases, while others run into minor setbacks. So is KikaGoods legit or a scam? From what we found, it leans more toward legit, but with some areas where they could improve. If you're considering buying, weigh the positive feedback against the occasional complaints, and make sure you're comfortable with the potential wait times before ordering.